Hello and welcome to Chapter 10 in this series of tutorials for Excel beginners. In the last tutorial we looked at creating this chart that you can see on the screen, this column chart. What I want to do is show you a couple of things just to give you a bit more information on creating your charts, and one of the things that's useful is how to update it. For example, if somebody adds a new row of data to your spreadsheet, how do you get your chart to actually see the new row of data? And to show you how to do that, I'm going to add a row onto the spreadsheet first of all. So if we just zoom back in, I'm going to use the zoom tool there to zoom back to 100% on the spreadsheet. And I'm going to add a row first of all. And to do that, all I need to do, I can do it quite quickly, is click where I want the new row to appear. So I can click anywhere on this row at all. It doesn't really matter, so I'm going to click in A9. Go to the Insert menu and simply click on Rows. And it's put a new row in there. There is another way you can do it, which is simply to put your mouse pointer over the number 9 in this case, right click and then choose Insert, and that would add a row in. That's added another row there, so I'm going to delete that one because I don't want two rows, so we'll get rid of that. And I'm going to add a new movie title and some rental information. So the title I'm going to put in here is Rear Window, an Alfred Hitchcock classic, in case you're not familiar with it. And I'm going to copy the rental price from the row above, and to do that, a nice quick way of doing it is a keyboard shortcut. Hold down the Control key and press the apostrophe key, and that copies the information from the cell above. Tab across, and I will put 8 rentals in for this movie. Tab across again, and I want to copy the formula from the cell above, and this time I'm going to click in the formula itself in row 8, put my mouse pointer over the bottom right there, so I've got the little autofill mouse pointer appearing, and then just drag down one row, and that puts the calculation into row 9 for me. Gives me the result £15.60. Okay, that's that part done. So if we just scroll down here, we'll see the chart, and at the moment as you see the chart ends with Wizard of Oz. It doesn't have a Rear Window on at the moment. And what I'm going to do here is show you what happens when I click on the chart itself. You may well have already seen this anyway. I'll just scroll back up so you can see. What it does, it puts these blue boxes around the areas of information that are included in the chart. So there's a box around the titles, and there's a box around the rentals column, which includes the column label and the actual values there. Now as you see that these boxes end at the Wizard of Oz, and we don't want